What's up, guys? This is Will of Will's Gadgets and More, back with another video. Taking a look at a RGB LED video light kit, which was sent out to me by a company called Weeylite. So a big shout out to them for sending this over for a review. I've worked with them in the past and make some excellent lights. So this is the Weeylite RGB LED video light for photography. Two-pack photography lighting kit for video recording, studio streaming, and filming. LED panel light with app and remote control and full RGB color, 2500 to 8500 Kelvin. So the price on this is going to be $178.99. I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. So some of the other key features and details of about this product: professional RGB photography video lighting kit, 2-pack with remote, app control, and stand. Built-in 36,000 RGB lights, bi-color, 29 special scenes of studio lights for video recording and creative photography, like flash, alarm, movie, party, etc. Remote wireless lighting kit and app control studio lights. Widely use of RGB LED lighting for photography or as background lights for video, interviews, product, and portrait, etc. You got 2 ways to power color soft LED panel lights for indoor, home, studio lighting, or outdoor video shooting. And then here are the dimensions of it. As you guys see, 20 inches across, 7.8 inches height, and the weight is going to be 530 grams. I will drop a link in the description if you guys want to go over and read up some more about this product, or if you want to purchase it, then the link will be down below. So let's get into the package and see what we got. All right, guys, so they give you this nice carrying bag here. I don't know if I can get it all in camera here, but very nice carrying case here. We're going to get into it. May stop this and just empty everything out, but just wanted to give you an idea how nice packaging that they offer here. A nice carrying case if you're on the go and want to take your lights along. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to go ahead and get this out, but I do want to show you how the lights go in there. So here's one of the lights, and the other one is over here. You got your paperwork and stuff here, and that is one side of it. So you're just going to have your lights, your 2 different panels in here. And then I'm going to flip it around, let you guys see the other side as well. Okay, guys, so I have it flipped around. I'm going to unzip this side of it here. And this is all you're going to have in here. This is going to be your stands, your power adapters and stuff like that in here. So here's one of the power adapters. Here's the other one. And you're going to have your mounting brackets here. Very nice kit with a lot of stuff in it. So there's one of your mounting brackets. This goes to your power here. This is going to go in here just like this. Just like that, snap in place. You got your other mounting bracket. You got your other plug in there. And you got your 2 stands. And here's the remote. We're going to get into this too. I'll show you how this works. Just want to show you everything that's in here. So here's the remote LED panel there. And then you got your 2 stands here as well. And I'll try and stand all this stuff up and let you guys see how it looks after it's assembled. But let's get this one out. And here's the one stand here. And that's it. And I'll show you guys how to unfold this and everything. So let me get it set up and we'll come back. So we're back in. This is everything that was in the kit. You got your 2 panels here. You got your mounting bracket here. You got a cold shoe on the bottom of it. You can swivel this up and down. It does have an anti-rotate button here. A little stick out thing there as well. So very nice mount. You got your remote control, which we'll get into in a little bit. But here it is, on, off, channel group. You got your mode. You got your up, positive and negative there. And here it is. I'm not sure if it comes with batteries. Let's see. No batteries, so I'm going to have to get some batteries to go in there. And then you have your power. Now, I have this one already plugged in, but this is your power right here, power supply, and that is it. So here's the panel, light panel here. Now, this is where you can put your batteries if you have any. I don't have any. You got a little place here to disperse the heat all the way around. Got the branding, Sprite 20 on there. Got your LED panel, on and off button. You got a set button, and you got a manual control button there. Weeylite, this is where you're going to put your mount. And it has a built-in diffuser as well. Let's go ahead and power it on. So this is the LED panel right here. Right now, this is in RGBW mode. You can see the channel 1, group A. Now, if I wanted to go through and set this, I just turn the manual switch here. So I do, you can see different things are changing there. If I click it one time, it'll go to the next. Click it again, it'll go to that as well. If I want to go to another mode, so now we're in the scene mode. Channel 1, the same thing, is showing you the power. If I wanted to adjust that, I turn this knob here. If I want to go next, have it going real fast. Hopefully nobody's freaking out there. Then I can change the scenes as well. So it's 29 different scenes. That's 1, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the way up, guys. There's a bunch there, and I can go ahead, cycle next. This is the CCT mode, and the same thing. I can adjust different things here just by clicking on the button. And then this is HLS. So very simple controls on the back of it to control your different modes and scenes. So, all right, guys, we're going to go ahead and get it set up on the stands, and then we'll take a look at the remote control and the app. All right, guys, so here are the light stands. Both lights are on the stand here. And, of course, you can adjust this up and down by simply loosening up that nut right there. And you can, set them at the height that you want. But this is how they look right here, guys. Got the diffuser on there. So let's take a look at the app and the remote control. All right, guys, so we're back in. First, we're going to take a look at the app on a device. You can put this on your iPhone or your Android device. You guys see the lights are off over there. So what you're going to have to do is go into, this is my Google Pixel 6 Pro. Went into the App Store, and I got this app here, Weeylite. And once you go into the app, this is what it's going to look like when you download it. Now you can use English or this language here, which I'm not sure what that is. You got a power button here where you can turn the app off or you can turn it back on. You have a selector here for different channels that you're in. Now, what I noticed on these lights out of the box, both of them, one is on channel 1, one is on channel 4. Then you got your different groups right here. So you can have different groups for different settings or however you want it. Down here, you're going to have your CCT mode. You're going to have your HSI mode and your scene mode here. This is where you're going to have all 29 of those scenes. And so we're going to go ahead and turn on this light. This one's on channel 1, the other one's on channel 4. So that is that light there. Now you can set this up where both of them are on the same channel and come on at the same time and group. So that is CCC mode there. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn on the other one. Now it's on channel 4, so I'm going to go to 4. And now that light is on. Now I can turn these off individually, on and off in their respective channels. So let's go through the CCC here. So at the top, I can control how bright this is or how dim it is. I can control if I want this to be warmer color or cooler color by going through the different Kelvins there. They have presets here as well. And you can also customize this if you want. Now that is in the CCT mode. In the HSI mode, I can control the brightness here if I want. I can go through the complete 360-degree color spectrum here as well. And that is the HSL mode. So here's the scene mode. Now in different scenes, you can control how fast you want it to flash or whatever. So that's flash right there mode. And I can control just how bright I want that to be. If I want it to flash slow, if I want it to go fast, this is fireworks, this is burst. And each one of these, you can control just how fast or slow you want it to go. So here's flames. Let's get it on flames there. That is flames. So I wanted flames to go real fast. And I know my colors are not accurate here, guys. So you can set it in different colors as well. So if I wanted red, that's supposed to be orange. This is yellow, green, blue, cyan blue, blue, and purple. So I know my colors are not coming out exactly. You can't see them that well on here, so it's kind of blowing out my camera. So I'm going to go back to channel 1, and I'm going to set that to the same color that we had. There it is. They both set on the same color. It's kind of hard for you guys to see. Now, if I wanted one of them to, both of them to be on fireworks or flash, so here's flash, and then I'm gonna go back to channel 4, and I'll put that one on flash. So now that's what you got. If you need that kind of scenery right there, you can have that. And pretty cool, man. You can go through here and set up different things. So I can have one with a solid color like that and the other one flashing. The possibilities are endless on this, and it's pretty great, man. I like it. So if I wanted to turn that one off and just have one going at a time, then I can do that. Let's go back to, you can do all kind of things here, guys. So go back to 1 and we'll stop that from flashing like that. So they're both off right there. So that is pretty much the app on the phone. Let's take a look at the remote control. Okay, guys, so here's the remote control. As you guys see, you're going to see your battery percentage, the mode that you're in, the channel, and the group. And as you guys see, it's flashing off because I have the 2 lights off over there. Now you're going to have on and off right here. You're going to have your channel and group, your mode button, your minus and your plus. And that is pretty much it as far as the remote control there. So we're going to go ahead and turn on that light. So that light is on channel 4. They're both in group A. So now I'm going to hold down on the channel button until channel starts flashing. So now I'm going to use the minus button to go down to channel 1. That's where the other light is. And you have to make sure that your group is in A, because they're both on group A. And then there's the other one turn on right there. So now I can cycle through my different modes. So you have to hold down on your mode button, and that takes you to the next mode, which is HSL. And now I can go through, I tap the mode button 1 time, I can change the hue. If I tap it again, it'll go down to saturation. Tap it again, it'll come up to power, and you just use your minus and plus buttons to adjust whatever you need. Hold down on the mode button again, and it takes you to the next mode, which is your RGB W mode. Hold down on it again, it takes you to the scene modes. So the same thing, you press the mode button 1 time, you can control your speed, you can go through your different scenery. So I can start going backwards or up with this, with the minus and plus button, that you guys see. So I can set the first light, I can leave it on this scene here. Now if I wanted to change the other one to something else, I'll simply hold down on the channel button, use my up button to go to 4. Now it's in scene mode. So now I'm going to just press the button here until I get to where I want to change the scene. So I'm going to take this one to a totally different scene. Let's use this scene here. So now you can have both of them in different scenes. I know the color's not looking accurate on the display here, guys. Kind of blowing out my my camera here, but you can have one doing one thing and the other doing something totally different. So that is cool. Now, the only thing I don't like about the remote control is you can't see the name of the mode that you're in. But otherwise, it's very simple, easy to use. No issues at all with that. And I can turn both of them off. So that's one. Gonna hold down on the sync on the mode button and then turn that one off. So the remote control is very easy, very convenient, but I think I like the app a little bit better. You can see things a little bit better, but the remote control was cool as well. So these are the Weeylite Sprite 20 lights. I'll drop this link in the description if you guys want to pick them up. Wheels, Gadgets, and more. I'm out.
Perfect.